Hello again and welcome to Ask Dr. McCord, another episode here on the most commonly asked questions about chiropractic care. And one of the questions that a lot of people ask is, what is the sound when a chiropractor makes a manual type of an adjustment, which is used by hands? What is the sound, the popping, the clicking, the snapping that people hear? And actually, a lot of people are confused about that. They think maybe it's a broken bone. Of course, chiropractors don't break bones. But it's the joint, and the guess is, the hypothesis of this is, that actually there's a gas that's in the joint, and when pressure is put on the joint to the point where it cavitates, the gas actually releases from one side to the other, and it makes a popping sound like you were to pull a rubber dart off of a mirror or a glass window pane. And it's the shift of that gas. And so that doesn't necessarily mean that the adjustment's been made. And then sometimes, like in our office, we don't always use manual care. We use instrument type of adjusting, and that's become very common over the last 20 or 30 years in our profession as well, where we use a mechanical handheld instrument, whether it's driven by an electrical drive, looks like a drill, or it's a handheld device, looks like a mechanical pogo stick, and it administers a very shallow but very fast, quick response to help actually correct the mechanoreceptors that are surrounding the joint. And so that popping sound isn't bad, and as long as the chiropractor explains that to you and helps you understand that, it's really a great release, and it really feels good most of the time when people have that. So I hope that answers your question. Thanks again for joining us here on Ask Dr. McCord.